Hello, it is Maggie from Mag's Life here with another video. And today's video will be me showing you, I'm gonna go on my trampoline, and so right now my family is cooking sap. Sap is like the beginning of maple syrup, and we have to cook the sap to make maple syrup. So I'll show you that first. So that is the cooker for the sap. And so how we collect the sap is we tap the trees with a little hammer. Well, we drill a hole into the tree, and then we put like a nozzle in the tree hole, and then the sap runs out of that tap, and then we put a bucket under it, and then we put it in here, and then we put wood in the bottom piece, and we light a match, and then it burns, and then it disintegrates, and then once it comes out, it is maple syrup. And yeah, you could probably, if you want to do this at home, you can just buy one of these thingies. I don't know where you could buy one. Probably get the buckets and taps from the hardware store or something. And yeah, and the maple syrup's really good, by the way. Wait, can I lift it up? Yeah. Okay. And so, and this is what maple syrup looks like. It's very amazing. It tastes like freedom on pancakes. I can't close it. Wait, I found it. I found how to close it. Now I'm gonna go on the trampoline. That's my trampoline. I got it for my birthday. I bounce on it, like I'm doing now. And I play games on it. And I do a lot of stuff on it, basically. And I do this, and then that's it. So, thanks. And that shall be all. I hoped you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to like it or give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like to write nice comments, and make sure to subscribe, please. Bye. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.